So I may have an idea. I don't know if anyone remembers me talking about this at any point in time, but I have an Ender 5 in pieces that I was intending to do what I'm basically going to be doing with the Sovol. So, my general idea right now is this. I could use this. Possibly. I don't know. Why are you stuck? Be right back. Okay. Let's see how this looks. First, I need to take it apart. So I got a whole new fan, 5024, RL15B. Okay. Sure. Well, there's a new tool head board that I could use, if I so choose. It's Creality. don't really know what this does. Ah, I see. Okay. That's what that's for. I don't know about this one, Chief. It looks a little odd to me. Is that supposed to be at an angle? I'll give it this much. This is a nice pancake motor, or a flat motor. It's a really nice small one. I don't know if I can use this. That's kind of the problem. I I don't know if this is usable. I really don't know. Technically speaking, it might work. I'm gonna have to completely redesign a whole lot of stuff, which I don't really mind doing. It's just not entirely something I want to do. Hi, Taker. Gotcha. See, the one thing I don't like about this is this plastic gear. Again, it's a gear that's going to wear down. It is a gear that's going to break. Oh, hello. Not what I expected that to happen. Not exactly something I expected to happen. Alright. I'm okay with that. So I can orient this any way that I need to for mounting. Which works. Nice and shiny, at least. Let me go grab the Sovol, because we're gonna just be doing some designing stuff, I think. I need to see what I can and can't do. I'm gonna need my Allen wrenches, aren't I? Okay. I don't. I'm not entirely sure. I have several options in front of me. I know that much. And I'm not entirely sure which one to go with. So, on one hand, buy a whole new setup, right? On the other, I have my Ender 5. That was honestly originally going to be a tool head changer that I was going to try and do at some point, right? I was going to try and turn it into a tool head changer. I'm just going to need to clean all these stupid gears. It's all muddied up with the plastic and the lube. That's why it's black. It's supposed to be green. We have... Do I really want to stick with the planetary gear? Maybe? Oh, okay, I see. Okay. God, this is so dirty. Disassembly time. I need to see what I'm working with. I need to see what my options are. And this is it. Did you not listen to me when I said open? It should be grease, not dirt. No, I know. It's dirt. That's not coming out. That's straight up just not gonna come out. Freaking Chinesium, man. On all fronts. See, I put fresh grease in this when I took this apart originally, thinking that the grease in here was a brown grease. That's tiny microscopic bits of plastic in that grease. It pisses me off that this happened. You live and learn. So, review of the Sovol SV08, right? Anybody who's curious about wanting to buy this thing, I don't know. It has issues. It has a lot of issues with it. I don't know how many of those issues they fixed with the SV08 Max. I have a friend who bought the SV08 Max, and I will probably have a little more of an idea of what it's like. Once it arrives, sometime in September probably. Bammy, do you have any recommendations for just a complete new hot end? I would honestly prefer something that can fit my freshly bought $20 nozzles from Micro Center. Let me figure out what they're called. They're like the volcano nozzles. They're long. And I'm really low on energy and motivation because of this bullshit. I still like the Sovol SV08, okay? I'm going to admit I do like it. I may be falling into a sunk cost fallacy right now. Here it is. It is Micro Swiss CM2 high flow volcano nozzle. I need recommendations. Because I've got... got a lot of things to consider right now, right? Okay, so this pancake mode, this flat motor, this one... that's press fit on, that ain't coming off. So that's what I have to work with there, right? I have the planetary gear system, but no outer gear. I don't want to go back to using plastic because that is just... that killed me. I think, I mean, that would explain why ABS wasn't printing. That would explain why all of the filament that I was trying to print in the past month has been bullshit. Excuse me. You blew up your extruder? I think I missed something. Oh yeah, you missed something. Here, I'll show you. I blew it up. Well, didn't really blow it up, but the, this is the one thing. I knew it was going to be a problem. I just didn't know it was this big of a problem. And it is a very serious and very annoying problem that Sovol kind of pushed on us with the SV08. So this, and not only that, but the extruder is only under a 3-month warranty. Gee, I wonder why. I'll show you, hold on. Let me finish cleaning up what I can at least. It really pisses me off. It's this whole thing. This bastard right here, just so many things wrong with this black back plate. I'm not super happy with. Yes, I know. I bought a budget printer. I also bought an Ender 3. But you want to know something? I at least got a year out of my Ender 3. That is a more budget printer than the Sovol SV08. I've damn near almost already replaced everything. And at this point, after this back plate is replaced, I've basically replaced everything. Except for the main board. All it is just a really nice frame. And that kind of pisses me off, you know? It is what it is. I don't... there's not much I can do, but here, okay. So, this is the planetary gear, right? Your extruder goes into this hole here. It hits that hole, and then it meshes with these 3 gears, and then these 3 gears mesh with the back plate, which just has that planetary gear setup right there, right? The problem here, try and hide from the camera. I don't know if you can see how much slop that has. It's really hard to show. I have a video. Hold on. That'll show it better. Give me a second. There it is. Very. And we're not even 3 months in. I mean, I know you can kind of see it, but I have a better video. You see that? No, it had bearings all around. What were you doing in there? No. What are you doing? What are you doing? She wasn't pooping. That's fine. Sorry. uh, pretty much, yeah. There's no bearing. There's no space for a bearing. It just went like that. Oh, sorry. My webcam's not on. Literally just meshed like this. That's it. There's no bearing. Why did they not put a bearing? Yep. Literally just floating on the stepper motor axle. There's no space for a bearing. And this literally just floating in there and slowly ground away at the plastic. If I could find a metal version of this, right? This piece right here. I could potentially print my own shit. Excuse me, I really shouldn't curse. I could keep everything exactly the way it is and print my own stuff, right? I kind of have a fork in the road right now. And I need to consider the options, right? I'm okay with this setup. This setup here, I'm okay with it. I think. I don't know. Yeah! No! Forgot to do that, sorry. Just... I don't want to take care of it right now, Mama. I'm coming. Be right back. that. You could take the part from the step file and send it off to send cut send if you don't mind burning money. I do mind burning money. That's the problem. I do mind burning money. I can't spend a whole lot of money. I don't have really any money. Money? I don't really like the default for that. There are so many things to consider right now. Honestly, too many. Give me 1 second. Far too many things to think about right now. And I'm not sure which one to consider, because I'm just kind of at a loss. It's really annoying that all this is happening. Come on, you get out. Thank you. Okay, that stays there for a minute. How much money are we talking? Because, I mean, obviously we have the step files for the Sovol SV08 hot or backplate. But I also really... Oh no, I bent my fucking tip. That was my good tip. God damn it. Me tip is bent. That'll have to do. I don't really like the look of the Ender 5's extruder thing. What would be nice is to almost have like a metal insert right here, a metal planetary gear insert. That would last a lot longer than injection molded bullshit plastic. But I don't really know. I don't know anything. If I buy a new extruder or I design, if I can, fuck, hold on. If I can keep pretty much everything and just have a metal insert, that would honestly be easier in terms of everything. .30 35 millimeters, right? No. .33 millimeters is the diameter, the outer diameter of the planetary gear. How many teeth is this? Ah, lost my place in both spots. Two, three, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Uh, 63 gear or 63 teeth, I think. Six, 63 tooth, 33 millimeter. Uh, is it inverted gear? I don't know. .65 teeth mod 0.5. Thank you. Open the technical drawing. I don't know where to find the technical drawing. My brain's too fried and annoyed. 65 teeth 0.5. Steel burr belting. Sure, let's try that. Sovol, I see now, 3D SKR GitHub. Thank you, Bammy. I'm not having a good time right now. Sorry. Try this. Spur. Spur gear. Pressure angle 20. Okay, so Google doesn't want to give me anything on that. What does any of this mean, is my question. I don't have the technical know-how. What is a spur gear? Straight cut gears are the simplest type of gears, so basically that is the type of cut. Okay. What does pressure angle 20 mean? Okay, so that is important. So we have, I don't know what any of this bit here means. Modulus 0.5? What does that mean? It's the angle the gear meshes with another gear. Yeah, I figured that out. Modulus 0.5. Huh? Gear tooth sized. Okay. And that's basically modulus is the ratio between the width of teeth and width of gap. So we're looking for I don't know what all that does. 32.8, I think, is the diameter. Yeah, I kind of figured that was 32.8 millimeter diameter. Planetary gear, maybe? Planetary gear. Ring gear. Okay, so it's a ring gear that I need. Okay, hold on. Ring gear. Mm-mm. No. Not quite. Yes. Tooth width? Would that be 20? None of that's going to work. Internal ring gear. Thank you. Ring gear. I know. AI slop is fucking pissing me off. Fucking hate this world that we live in. Dystopian fucking bullshit. Okay. Let's see if we can possibly do this. And we've already hit bullshit. Lovely. Useless. You're all useless. Maybe? Hold on. Fuck. Possibly, yeah. I can't just find somebody with a lathe. I need to find somebody with a lathe that is able to make gears. If only I could contact Inheritance Machining, man. I know he's working on this shit. I know Inheritance Machining is like actually working on making this. And it pisses me off that I can't get into contact with him because he... Fuck. He's a big YouTuber. He's not gonna listen to a little guy like me. You know what? I'm curious. Here. The fuck do I even type? Hold on here. See, I'm not technically know-how kind of a guy. I don't understand. I discovered this stuff that I don't want people having access to. I mean, I don't care if someone finds it, but... Okay, so... Sovol SV08, press insert... Metal gear? I don't... You know what? Fuck this. Hold on. You think they might answer? Where are they based? 48. I'm just really curious if they'll answer. Let's see what happens.
Hello. Please leave a message after the tone.
Nope. It's probably after business hours anyway. You called it what again? Internal metal internal ring gear. 32.8 millimeter spur gear, pressure angle 20 degrees, 65 teeth with modulus 0.5. 0.5, and I'd say probably to make this work, probably want at most a 35 millimeter outer diameter. 35 millimeter with 35 millimeter outer diameter. What's the word, like with a sawtooth outer diameter? Hey, Shad, thanks. He says it's a surprise. Nice. Shad, I need some help. So, I would like to know if you know of a good solution of I sent you a message on X. I don't know if you read it, but I would like to know if you know of an extruder and extruder heater combo. It's sure generating a lot of cobwebs. That's funny. An extruder heater combo that will work with the Sovol, or that I can design around at least and move things up and down, left, right, whatever. Whatever needs to be done, I can do it. I just need I just need something that works. I'm kind of a broken man right now. Barely even thinking, barely even typing right, barely even remembering what any term means. I'm actually about to contact just send a message. A complete hot end, yes, between $50 and $100. My dad said that he'll pay for it. Just something that should work, that I can design around, that will be here hopefully in 2 days. I don't know if I want to spend the money on a new gear. I think I would much rather just get a complete, decent quality hot end that I can design around, that I can just completely design around however needs to be done. Um, with a motor, without a motor, I don't really care. I don't know. I'm kind of a broken man, and I'm trying to find things that work, that don't break the bank. Just don't want to break the bank, you know? I have an Ender 5 here, by the way. Okay, so here's the other thing. I would, if possible, it would be nice, but I don't know what exactly it comes with, linking it. You'll have to link it on X, Twitter, something. Here, I'm switching this. Just gonna exit out of all these excessive tabs. I can dig it. Not including the printed parts, that's fine. Comes with all that stuff. Plastic gear. Fine, I can do with the plastic gear. At least that won't die as fast, you know? Printed part. Yeah, of course it doesn't include the printed part. But not the heat blocker nozzle and missing sensors. That's fine. The sensors, I don't care. I can do the sensors myself. I have sensors. But the hot end... See, this is the hot end that I'm working with, right? It only has one attachment point to the printer, and that's that little screw hole right here. And if it's not locked in any way, shape, or form up here, it's going to be flailing around too much. Even then, I feel like it's just flailing around too much. It has a little too much slop for my taste, you know? What day is August 24th? Sunday? Sure. I'll take a look. Can for Voron, Stealth Burner. Yeah, that's just electronics. That's alright. I don't need the electronics. It's hardware that I need right now, you know? It's specifically hardware. What is that? Huh. Oh, hi, Christina. uh, Not entirely, no. I can't find a single internal gear that meshes here. Christina's, by the way, though, my friend, whose house I'm going to be going over to tomorrow. And we're going to be, once I find a solution, I need to work hard on trying to find a solution right now. But once we find a solution, I'm going to be printing a bunch of stuff at their house. And I'm going to be bringing my printer as well. I do not have captions. She's hard of hearing, or she's deaf, by the way. I believe right now she's using the really dumb subtitles that aren't really super great. So, actually, Christina, can you send me a message on Discord for live subtitles? I remember that existing at one point, and if it's at all better, that would be nice. You have it on here? Okay, but that works. Well, that works, but it would be nice to just kind of have it available for other people who are hard of hearing. I think that would be nice. Yes, I can. Thank you. Sorry. um... Yes. Is this the same motor as this? Tit for tat, exact same motor. Cool. Awesome. Okay. So my dad, what is this link? Huh? Ah. $49? That doesn't even come with an extruder. What's the point of this? Quick change. Hold on a minute. What? No, it doesn't have an extruder. It has the hot end, but it doesn't have the extruder. The geared thing. It's a quick change. It's designed for you to clack, 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 done. Swap it out. That is so cool. Oh yeah, it's a Bowden. It's for a Bowden setup, that's why. It's for a Bowden. Huh. That's really cool, though. That's really, really cool. I like that. That's interesting. No, I'm not, I know I'm not showing it. Hold on. Yeah, that's really interesting to see that it exists. Okay, so we don't want that. I'm interested in the... This is an extruder setup. I'm interested in trying it. I pretty much have all those pieces. Basically, I have all those pieces. It's kind of. I'm still trying to think. Hold on. Fade. So Voron Afterburner. You linked another? Okay, hold on. Sintered metal? Oh, like 3D printing metal. Yeah, I've heard of it. Interested. It's very porous. I know that. It's very porous material. Sorry, hold on. Print head kit for orange. Huh. Does it come with the... Oh, it does. Not good for the issue? No, not quite. I thought it'd be a viable solution since it's easily put in place and heated. Oh, I wish. Well, actually, well... No, not quite. I'd have to make sure the mold is, like, very accurate. And it would have to be, like, a negative mold, right? Does Amazon not have this? Hold on. That's a complete kit. You'd have to print a mounting adapter. I can print a mounting adapter. I can do that. Up to 0.8 with speed. That's a good idea. I do like that idea. Let me do this. No Orange Storm Giga. I don't think it's a negative mold. Just apply the powder to the gearing house and let the heat mold it to the shape. Well, the gearing house that I currently have is not good enough to create that shape, right? Because it's already got too much slop in it. If I got it when I first got it, then maybe, but I don't know. Here, hold on. So that's the planetary gear, and it meshes with that, right? And it's got too much slop there. Too much, slop may not translate correctly. Too much movement. Gears can help shape. Maybe? I've got so much to consider right now. Because I don't know. Okay, good. I didn't know if Google Translate was... Or not Google Translate, Google Scribe, I guess, was doing a good job or not. Some words it doesn't guess. What? Oh, fuck. I need to go eat. I'll be back. Coming. So, I'm done eating. Not super hungry, just want to find a solution that works. Okay, you linked this, and I was kind of taking a look at it. It said frequently returned item, which is interesting. I don't understand why. $39.99. What is the dimensions of this thing? I'm okay with it. I just want to know what the dimensions are. What kind of hot ends does it take? Polymer paste. It's just these nozzles, right? So I could probably use the one that I currently have in my Ender 3 for effective heating. Why was it returned though? I know. It looks like what I need. I'm order it. No, I don't want. Yeah. Holes for the screws do not line up with the roller board. So make a better hole, dummy. Fair enough. Fair enough. Oh, quick swap. Return the old one. Yeah. Okay. Fair enough. Yeah. See that's like one of the first things to show up. Don't really need. I don't really need a full hot end. I'd like to use the EBB36 that I have. I'd like to keep all the board stuff that I got. I just need a hot end, as in a heater and an extruder. That's all I need. I need a heater and extruder that will mesh together. Flash Forge. I've heard of this guy before. Hold on. What's with the robot hand, guys? Come on. Free delivery tomorrow? Oh boy. I don't think I want that. See, this feels like proprietary bullshit that's locking me into something. I don't like it. It's okay if I have it two separate parts. I don't need them all combined into one. I can get a good extruder and a hot end. That's fine. I can get those separate, and then I can print a housing around it. I don't mind doing that. I just need something that works, you know? I'd like an all-metal extruder, if possible, but I know beggars can't be choosers. And then if I have to buy a completely different hot end, I can do that. Just something that maybe also works with the Micro Swiss CM2 high flow volcano nozzle. That would be nice, but I don't really care. I just want things that work. Luke's Laboratory has a combo that'll do pretty much what you want. Only $800! Holy crap, no. No. just seems over-engineered. Man, I just... this just fucking pisses me off. I don't know if I'm getting good shit. That's like the problem these days. I don't know what I'm getting. I don't know if it's good. I don't know if it's AI slop. I don't know. And I'm losing the brain battle right now, man. There's just so many things out there right now, and I don't know what to do. $249. Hell no. Because I can make my own housing. I have a CR Touch Pro. That works. I have plenty of blower motors that I can duct onto the nozzle. You should find out what the difference is between a Voron hot end and the SV08. Sure. Voron hot end. Let's do that. Fadus, the Dragon hot end. I like the look of this thing, I'm gonna be honest. Drop effect next G. I don't. Voron 2.4 to be specific. That's what the SV08 is based on. Thank you. Let's do this. Voron 2.4. How do I open an F3D? I don't know what I'm doing. GitHub, maybe? What if I do this? Google AI might actually be able to parse this. While the Sovol SV08 is a faster, user-friendly option that comes mostly pre-assembled, making it ideal for beginners. No, it ain't. Yeah, that's not gonna give me. Why the Hero Me can't be adapted? If it's just because it doesn't fit the original extruder / electronics / stuff, then just take a blank Hero and add mounting holes. Oh, that's what I'm thinking of doing. I'm honestly thinking of doing that with the Hero Me. I'm really thinking of doing that kind of bullshit with the Hero Me. I think I'm gonna have to rewire this motor here, which I can do that as well. Okay. Big brain idea. I think I'm coming to a good solution. But I do need help. Okay, Shad? I need you to find a good extruder, just as is, just the probably a pancake motor and extruder, and a good hot end. If we can get that, if I can get that off of Amazon, Just something that either fits the standard, was it M6 nozzles, or one that fits like an extra long, like the Micro Swiss one. I can do everything else. I can throw these fans in series together. I can make two. I can basically hook two fans in series. I've got plenty of wire that I can do that. Um, Hook that to the BTT 36 because I know how to use the BTT 36. I'm pretty happy with that. I just need the extruder and a hot end that will kind of work and potentially be able to swap those out if something breaks, which probably means let's go to Bondtech. No, Bondtech, one word. I don't want a really expensive one. Extrude slash hot end the Hero Me already has mounting info for and you might be familiar with. Oh, definitely. Pretty much everything. I have the file somewhere. Hold on. Like, it almost quite literally is everything. It has ABL mounts, ADXL mounts, which is for resonance testing. It has the base, which is probably something that I'm going to have to like modify a little bit. Cable management, extruder, direct drive mounts for Bondtech, Reality, E3D, EZR, Hextruder, Orbiter, Fadus, Sailfin, Sherpa, Sovol SV01, SV06 Plus, Triangle Lab, and Zesty Nimble. Also have I'm probably gonna have to make my own freaking gantry adapter. It has the Sovol, but it doesn't have SV08 as 1, 2, and 5 and 6. That's all they have. Hot end mounts. It basically Anycubic Viper, Revo micro mounts, Viper stock, Fadus Dragonfly, Creality stuff, Micro Swiss stuff, Neptune, Fadus, Slice, Triangle Lab, Voron Switchwire Afterburner. I mean, I know that you guys were wanting to see me do the Afterburner. Pretty much everything that I can grab a lot of different stuff for that. Hey, babe. So we got Dragon Clone. Curious. Fadus. Sending links. I mean, here's the Fadus. Saturday. I can have it Saturday if Amazon is merciful enough. Fadus APUS. Dragonfly hot end. God, I freaking hate Twitter. What the hell happened to it? How about Bondtech BMG? That's a little too expensive for me. There it is. Hello. Hello. Mega V5 upgrade J hot end. Okay, how does it mount? My question is, how does it mount? I don't mind it, just how do I mount it? Looks to me like they intend for you to grab that little thingy right there. I can do that, I guess. Shit, I really didn't think about how it needs to mount, did I? That's okay. That's cool. Yeah, that's fine. Maybe. Hold on. I think J heads have the PTFE go up to the nozzle. I'm perfectly fine with that if the PTFE goes that deep. Does the Hero Me have a mount for it? Sure. Let's see what happens. That's a good question. What's it called? I don't really know what it's called because there's just a bunch of slop there. i3 Mega X? Is there a brand for that? A standard V6. Just saw that it was massive and cheap. Massive and cheap. A standard V6 mount. What do you mean by a standard V6 mount? Wonder if Triangle Lab Dragon. What is this? Interesting. E3D V6. Ah, okay. Hold up. Viper. Fuck off. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, we got a way to we do have a way to mount that shit. That thing. Excuse me. We have a way to mount it. Cool. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Don't want to be bugged right now. Okay, so what kind of motor needs to jive with this, though? Don't put that on your printer. That's like 2016 tech. Oh, okay. Then I won't. Wait, don't put what on my printer? What are you talking about exactly? Because I've bounced around between several different things already. You're talking about the E3DV6, right? Don't put that on the printer? Gonna be honest, this looks interesting. Stable extrusion, smooth feeding. This looks interesting. But I don't know if it's any good. What would be a good cheap hot end circuit streamer? The V6 hot end. Oh, okay. I won't put it on then. So what about this thing? Anybody had any experience with this? Because I'm curious. My brain's starting to narrow things down. Because if I'm going to do Hero Me, then might as well do Hero Me. If that makes sense. Probably doesn't. Where'd the Hero Me stuff go? Where did I put that shit? Fuck. Did I leave it in here? Oh yeah, it's right there. Okay. The actual E3 V6 is a lot cheaper. $14. That's funny. That's funny. Okay. If anybody has any ideas on this guy right here, I'd like to know. I'd like to hear them. And now I want to see some hot ends. Anycubic Viper. Let's see what that is. I don't know what that is. Anycubic Viper. Viper. Okay. That's pretty old tech, isn't it? Rather not. Anycubic doesn't really make those. Revo Micro Mount? How about the Micro Swiss? Where's that Micro Swiss that I was looking at? Micro Swiss All Metal MK8. Why is that $77? All these ancient hot ends. Alright, Bammy. I want to put those on my Ender 3. Alright, Bammy. What would you use? Throw out some names that I can look at. Just give me something that I can work with. Because I have no idea which one of these are Fetus BMO. $50 to $100 is the budget. It's okay if I go a little bit over by just a smidge, but not too much. That is the idea. Less than or equal to. We can go a little over if needed. I just need something that's gonna work. Fucking hate having to be on a budget, you know? Really annoying. So that is for extruder, hot end, and mounting plate. No, I can build my own mounting plate. I can print that shit myself. I just need a hot end and an extruder. That's all I need. Oop, shit, where'd I go? Oh, there it is. Okay. Did I just eat that somewhere? Whatever. It's just a screw. I can find it later. Yeah, we're gonna do a Hero Me mounting plate. That's the idea. Mm-hmm. Yes, exactly, Shad. Ow. Why is this? It's weird. I might use this as my extruder. I'm gonna be honest. This looks okay. Stop it. It's cheap. Sure. Let's take a look at that. It's fine. I can do pretty much anything I need to. I can, hold on. Interesting. Okay, hold on a minute. That looks very similar to the Voron, or to the SV08 hot end. That's pretty cool. Okay. TZE3 2.0 hot end. Let's see what this does. Hold on. I'd like it to be on Amazon. Yes. The only annoying part is that nozzle is proprietary crap. I'd much rather shy away a little bit from the proprietary crap. It would be appreciated if I could shy away from that and have the option of like the what are some of the off-brand stuff that we got here? Hold on. You can just have an MK6 nozzle in there. Really? How? This thing, right? No, hold on. This thing looks... Hold on. Yeah, no, this thing, no, we don't want that. But it's hot swap. Wait. Wait. Brain fart, hold on. Third result? This one? Zrebu. Nope, that's not right. Are you in the US? Yeah, I'm in the US. AliExpress. Oh, you're talking to Bammy. I'm looking for an Amazon because I need it tomorrow so I can print again. I've got some people waiting on some items. Oh, God. Okay. So it's not on here. Ow, 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 cramp! Fuck! Okay, there we go. Look at the Triangle Lab site. I mean, How quickly can it get here is the question. Oh, that's not... It's on you to 30 days. Hell no. No way, Jose. Not doing that. That is too long for me to not have that. West 3D sells their stuff. What? Ow. I don't see West 3D. How do I look for West 3D? How do I look for sellers? Frick! What the hell is this thing? It's for bamboo, though. It's just no one who's... is a retailer. Oh, hold on. West 3D printing. I see. Okay. How quick can you... Oops. How quick can this get here? Sure. See what happens. No. Check out. You're gonna make me enter my Okay, hold on. Pickup. Oregon. They're located in Oregon. Lovely. All right, give me a shipping method. Three to 5 business days. Fast shipping for $16. Overnight shipping for $33. $68 total for that bullshit. Oh my goodness. Is Saturday well, actually, yeah. Friday's a business day. I can get it. I can have it shipped to my friend's house. And then I could probably consider the Fadis DXC extruder. and have that shipped to his house, and I'll have everything that I need. I just want to know, what do you guys... That's not a good way. What do you mean? I need to get my printer going again. I have someone who is expecting things, and I have nothing else. $16 for shipping. $33 for overnight shipping. Yeah. $16 for arrives in 2 days. $5 for regular shipping, which is 3 to 5 business days. Overnight shipping is 33. Yeah, for the hot end. For the hot end, it's yeah. But it's a really good hot end. $68 total. Yeah, $33. Daddy's paying for it. Technically, I worked for it. I spent a lot of freaking time today. Not sure if Fadus DXC is compatible. I'm not sure either. I can make it compatible with Hirami. Honestly, I can literally force this thing to be compatible. I can do whatever the frick I want. No, not really. Daddy. Yeah, my dad will pay for it. Rocking arm, and automatically adjust pressure for filaments of varying hardness. Like eBay. Oh, I need it here as soon as possible is the problem. I think I can make this work. I don't care about firmware routing. I can bend this bastard to my will. No customer reviews. Excuse me. There's a mounting hole here and a mounting hole here. I'm not good at finding deals, Chris is. Yeah, I know. I need to get this stupid thing working again. The sooner the better. How does this interact, though? Bro, that's just a really poor picture. Delicate layer texture. No vertical lines. Fuck off. How do I interface with this with the motor? Dual drive structure. Cool. Where's the motor? Let's try this. Hi, Fadus. How you doing? Let me see how I interface with this, please. Oh, filament break detection. That's useful. Ultra wear resistant coated gears. Cool, I guess. How do I interface? What motor do I use? You're not giving me enough information. I'm about to pass. CC kept saying it is fetus. Beautiful. Let's do this. Extruder. Give me some interesting extruders. I don't know what I'm looking at. Yeah, Creality's K1, but I don't really understand what that exactly means. There's this thing. That's a K1 extruder? Does that mean that this is a K1 extruder gear thing? Hold on, where'd it go? Where'd that damn motor go? Here, this one. I mean, not quite. I'm looking for an extruder now that can mesh with one of my motors. Or that comes with a motor. Yeah, that's... I know it's plug and play for Creality, but it's... I don't have a Creality, so it's not going to be plug and play. God. I need to go to bed soon. I have work tomorrow. I need life alert. Help chat, please. Sending another link. All right. Interesting. I can see his face, but I can't remember his name. He was like all 5 germs on his... He has like all 5 germs on his hand. That bastard. Gamora? Fetus? I don't know about that one. There's this one that he gave me. Problem is, I have no idea if this will mesh with the motor that I have. $15 kilograms, nickel-plated gears. Nickel-plated gears are fine. From the friggin' Marvel. Oh, are you talking about Thanos? Thanos! Do not tell me this is the video. This is the video? This is the video? At least turn it around! What the fuck? Just bend them to your will. What the hell was that video? Must meet quality metrics. I get extra points if I put a video in my selling list, in my listing. Hi, come here. I'm trying to look. Come here. There's no video. I'm trying to look for an extruder now. I found a hot end that'll work. Now I'm looking for an extruder. Here. I want to see a video because, you know, maybe a video will turn it around. I can take a look at it.
Why? Why?
I don't know!
A picture would have done the exact same thing.
Exactly! At least spin it around! So it's like, you could do something!
Oh my gosh.
That is so dumb!
I want to see my poster.
Then open it up. Let's see your poster. So it looks like it's using a pancake motor. I just don't know if this pancake motor that I have right here is going to work, and I can't swap out the stupid gear on here. What? Ooh!
Cool.
Nice. Very nice. Oh, okay, hold on, wait. It just has to mesh with that gear, right? That gear right there just has to mesh with it. So anything will do? I don't know. I don't freaking know. Why not ask Gemini?
No.
No, I'm not using AI. I'm not.
No.
No. I want to check out there. I don't need this. There we go. No guarantee the size is the same. Lovely. I think I just doxed myself by accident. Just keep doxing myself.
Yeah, keep doing that. Why don't you?
Yep. I admire your ethics. Hey, I'd much rather save the environment, you know? I mean, we could grab this Creality K1C extruder motor. I don't know.
Why is there a leaf on my chair?
I don't know. Why is there a leaf on your chair?
I don't know.
Well, it's gone now. Leave the video running overnight so the video isn't saved! Cryptocurrencies for the lose. For the loss. What?
Whose dog is that?
Whose dog is that?
What's the dog doing?
Yeah, he's sitting there. He's fabulous. The dog fabulous, right?
What?
See?
What?
Right? Yeah?
That's a girl dog too. Freaking G-Hill with her bitch.
Jenny!
Am I wrong?
Not really. I could grab this. Be delivered tomorrow. It's got mounting holes
I
there.
got Jonghyun.
You got who?
Jonghyun.
You got who?
Jonghyun.
You got who?
Not Nayeon James.
Damn. Here, let's let this be the decider for me, okay?
Ooh, I got that hand. And Gio.
Yay!
I got a standee.
Oh, cute. Nice.
Oh snap! And I got Nayeon.
Micro Swiss dual gear.
I got Nayeon.
Yay! Swiss dual gear. No such thing here. Micro Swiss Bowden dual gear. very nice. It's the big thing in the... Oh, sorry. The sad thing is that I have to be knowledgeable in AI stuff so I can be good at catching cheaters. That's fair. That's fair. That's very fair. That's very understandable.
Oh, these are all the lyrics.
Hold up. I'm about to dox myself again. Hold on, let me just...
No, stop doxing yourself.
I'm not going to. Don't worry. What if... Hold on. Let me go back.
Got an eye on. They don't
Good
know
job,
what
babe.
I'm talking about, but I got an eye on.
Good job. You got an eye on. Budget 100. Looks at Micro Swiss. I know. I know. Product type. Extruders. Show me what you got. Bondtech. BMG clone.
Why are you so thick?
What's your wife doing? Oh, she's looking at She just got a new album. Any complete hot ends for
Oh,
sale?
Sana. Dang, Sana. Look how good she
Maybe.
looks.
Yeah, she looks good. Nice.
Dakin, what the hell is that? Look what she doing.
Hmm?
Look what she doing. What's she doing?
Lovely.
What's she doing?
Where's the Triangle Lab stuff? Can I look at the Triangle Lab stuff? Let's look at Triangle Lab stuff. Hold on. Because I could potentially do something here. Hold on.
I see you, Junior.
Triangle Lab TBG.
What? Why are they being so random? Why is she standing on two pillows? She just... What?
Why not?
I mean, sure, they can, but, like, why?
Filament frame hot end nozzles accessories?
Oh, that's a cute picture. She's with the doggy.
Nice.
Look how nice it is.
Oh, that is nice. Little doggy.
Little doggy.
Enraged rabbit. No. LDO orbiter extruder version 2.0. I mean,
The dog looks like it's seen some things.
oh, sold out. Never mind. Extruders. If I'm already gonna pay for overnight, I might as well see if I can grab something else that makes overnight a little more worth it. You know? Clone, dual drive, full all metal extruder, complete kit, maybe?
Why is this couch on its side? And why is she standing on it? What is going on with this album?
I don't know, Beb. What's going on with it?
I have no idea. They're being so random.
Sold out. Okay. Can't buy it if it's sold out. Too expensive, too expensive. All this shit is too expensive. Why doesn't this have a pancake motor, or why doesn't it tell me if I need a Is that the motor I need? I don't fucking know. Excuse me.
The way they took this picture makes her feet look ginormous. You see that?
Yeah, I do.
Clown
It's
looking ass.
hilarious. Clown shoes.
Clown shoes looking ass.
LDO orbiter version extruded 2.5 from the 3D printer it's designed for. Great. Great. I think I'd be okay with this. I think I can make do with this. I'm going to be honest. I think this is doable. Knurled surface. Yep. I don't hate this.
I would have been happier if this was pink or purple or red or white. But it's green.
2.0 sold out. This is upgrade kit. LDO Orbit Extruder 2.5. Orbiter 2.5 and version 2.0 to version 2.5 upgrade kit. So if I just do complete with motor, done. This is the upgrade kit. I don't need the upgrade kit. Complete with motor is $64.99. Excuse me.
No. What you gonna do about that? Okay.
Okay, let me see something. It does seem like a pretty good deal. Add to cart. Let's see what it. Let's see. Let's go to checkout. What?
This dog is mad dogging everyone.
He sure is.
You
He's
saw
mad dogging anyone looking at her
You
at his,
saw
her
that?
girl. Yeah. Okay, so we're looking at already $99.98.
Oh.
What, babe?
All of the members have "This is for" next to them.
Mm-hmm.
The dog has it too.
This is what?
"This is for." The
Oh,
name of their album is right next to the dog.
that's so cute. Let's see what Micro Center has then. Now that we have a few ideas, hold on. Products, 3D printing. It's gonna be parts and accessories, right? I should probably just do this. I should probably just stick with that. Bamboo hardened steel extruder, not really doable. This is a Micro Swiss NG direct drive extruder, which I guess would kind of work. Micro Swiss Bowden dual gear extruder. Which technically would also work. Micro Center doesn't really have a whole lot available, gonna be honest. What? I'll have to look at that later. Who doesn't do direct drive anymore? I have no idea, dude. These are just hot ends now. Just hot ends. Hey. So what I'm looking at right now is $99, and if I do another $33 for the overnight shipping, it's gonna be probably too much. So hold on. Is there one cheaper? I'm playing with screws. Oh, hold on. Check Amazon? Wait. That's a good point. What? Me after eating the shrimp from Walmart. Walmart shrimp. God, that's so funny.
I hate that that's a thing.
It's so funny.
I hate that that's a thing, though.
Let's try this. Hold on. Good point. Quit potentially doxing yourself. It's okay. I'm a small YouTuber. $59.99. It's a little more than I want, but Double gear, direct drive, full kit with motor. Glowing in the dark. Definitely. What would you rather be? What would you rather be? Your worst enemy. Do 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 do. That's a song that YouTube recommended to me. Why are these all $100? It's all the same shit. What the fuck? Do 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 do. Lovely. This is version 1.5. Version 2.5 is going for like $80. Wally World has pretty beefy looking extruder for 6,700. Link it! I gotta see that! Oh, please link it. Why does it say it's 12:33 a.m.? What? Okay, let's see what else they have. Complete kit, sold out. What, Beb?
I click on these specific articles of clothing, and then they don't show up.
Lovely.
What's the point of advertising it if they're not gonna have it?
They have it.
No, they don't.
Square. No, they don't. Orbiter smart filament sensor. No. Anything on page 2 that isn't $4,000? Nope. Wait. Did you link it yet? Oh my god. What? Arrived September 11th. Y'all want to get that 9/11 extruder kit? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That was terrible.
Watch, now all your people are in the lead.
No, YouTube's gonna give me a stick up my ass. Fuck, I can't stop laughing. I'm sorry.
You're terrible.
I'm sorry. Oh, this thing looks so beefy. Looks like shit. I'm gonna be honest. It looks terrible. Oh, I hate it. Oh, I can get $1.84 off if I clip the coupon. Yippee! See, this has a pancake motor there, but I don't know what type of pancake. Check this out, link. Whoa. $30? What? You're kidding. Okay. How are we extruding, though? Ugh, no, that's going to be a problem. See that right there? That right there is going to be blocked. Fuck! This won't work. This almost worked. But it won't work. God damn it! You're teasing me now, dude. You're teasing me. Okay, let's go back to here. Hold on. Zesty Nimble? What the hell is a Zesty Nimble? Oh. Amazon's just like, oh. Don't have it. Creality. Dual gear. Frequently returned item. Sorry, dude. No, I know. You're trying. I really appreciate it, Chad. Thank you so much. We're just all collectively throwing our dicks on the floor at this point. I don't know. Dyes extruder? What the hell is this? Extruder? Okay. Hold on. You know what? I have an idea. Hold on. Paetus. How is this print head mounted in the first place? Here. Just dropped my fucking planetary gear. So, that's the back plate, and this right here is where the gantry goes. Right? Gantry goes right here, and it's completely blocked. Nothing there. I can't have anything there. I can turn things around, though. I can turn things around. 2 screw holes on either side of the motor. Yeah. That's the hard thing. What if we add this to cart, right? And then... Is that what the arm is called? A gantry? Yeah. X and Y gantry. And what if we got a Creality K1 motor? I can have the motor hanging above the gantry. That's fine. Why did you give me this now? Why... Why'd you give me this now? I was looking kind of... No, I wasn't looking for this. Okay, that's fine. No. Just want the motor. This is the motor that those things jive with, apparently. I learned something new again. You're welcome. This would work with an adapter? You think so? Because, like, the motor can be above it. It's that fan in the very back there that I'm having a problem with. That fan won't get enough airflow through it. And then if I put it up high or low, it will be too high or too low. Adapter would... I'm thinking. So, proceed to checkout. Let's not dox myself, actually. Hold on. Doxed myself again. $62. Go to my cart. There's no fan in the back. Yeah, there is. That's a fan. Isn't it? Yeah, that's a fan. Look. That's a fan. Right there. This piece right here, that's a fan. That has to be a fan. It's fan-shaped. I see a blade here, a blade there, and a blade there. Unless that's the front. Is that the front? No, that's the back. I'm confused. Isn't it? Yeah, that's the back. This is the back of it. That's okay. I think I have what I'm gonna get. We're gonna get the ceramic core volcano variant, pro volcano bullcrap. And I'm gonna get the pancake motor and the Fadis DXC extruder with a brand new pancake motor. I'm gonna make mistakes here. I'm gonna make some stupid mistakes. It's gonna be annoying. But I think I just need to make those mistakes. $1.50 in digital reward that you can redeem as a book. That I don't read books. Let's change the delivery. I don't do audiobooks. Alright, I don't have any. Yeah, that is the hot end cooling fan. Okay, good. Okay, that's what I thought. What you got? You got another? What? What is this Borg looking crap? What? What is this Borg looking thing? Unlinear rail, the roller is there, yeah. The mounting plate on the Cobra has vent holes through it that blow against the gantry, but on linear rail, the roller is there. Yeah, pretty much. Look at this. A fucking Borg. It's a fucking Borg. What? What is this? I love it. I fucking love it. It has a really weird connector on top. What is this? What is this? I love it. I low-key want it. Look at that. Look at the unit. It's so freaking... What? I love it. Oh my god. There's one huge problem with it, though. The blower fan is here, but there's a big window in the way. What is this? What are you? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. I think I'm gonna get what I'm gonna get. I think I know what I'm gonna get. I think we found a solution. It's not an ideal solution. What the hell happens to Amazon? Oh, there we go. Okay. Wait, I need the other address.
There you go.
Huh? Bed?
No.
What?
Shower.
Oh shoot, we do need a shower. Alright, this will have to be the solution then. There's no changing it from here. There's no changing this solution from here. No. I know, hold on. Let me put in this stupid order. I just send the step in PDF of the original plate with internal ring gear to send, cut, send, and have it made out of tool steel. No, I need that thing moved. I need it moved upwards because it's kind of in the way of a few things. That takes like a month or two, and I've got someone who's waiting on something, so... Where'd my mouse go? Don't eat my mouse. Thank you. Okay. No, don't change my shit. We're getting it ASAP, buddy. Give it. Give it. The baby kitten's got your mouse. Huh?
What baby kitten?
Oh. Yeah, they did. I don't have the ability to add a tip, buddy. It's over $120.
I'm sorry, what?
Total. Yeah.
And not once did you decide you wanted to talk to me about that?
We're not paying it.
What? What do you mean we're not?
Papa said he'll pay for it.
That's still so much money.
He said it's okay.
Oh my gosh.
I know. The adorable babies took your mouse. They keep playing with the fluffy mouse in the hallway. Wait, what? Yay. They play with mouse.
What even is that?
What even is what?
That.
What?
That.
Oh, that's something that Anthony left in here. Okay, fine. I'll do air shipping. Arrives typically in 2 days. Now it's 110. Actually 110, yeah.
Ooh, such a discount.
Well, it was 130 actually from what I understood, so now it's 110. I'm going to run my SV08 until it breaks like yours and then use something like Bondtech Index to make a tool changer. I'd like to use the Bondtech Index, but it's not coming out for a while. me double check one more thing. See if I can find a motor for cheaper. I have it for like $16 here. Oh, it's for $19 in my cart. Okay, hold on. Hold up. I found one for cheaper. With coupon. Sure. Add to cart. That actually will probably be better. Proceed to checkout. $58, $51, so that's $109. I think that's way more reasonable. I like that more. Okay. Okay. Fine. I'm going. She is very supportive. I really appreciate her. Okay, fine. Air shipping. I have to do the last load of laundry. I'm so excited you guys can't believe it. Yay!
Something we should be doing.
Yeah, my day was absolutely shot. I'm gonna be honest. What? What the hell just happened? Oh. Okay. Okay. The laundry room is so empty, you guys will be so happy. Yay! Pay in full, please. What is wrong with you?
Is that Christina?
Yeah, that's Christina talking. I have all day conference tomorrow, so that's going to be short too. Yay. Oh, that's going to be shot too.
Oh.
Yeah. Make sure that's the right one. Yep. Yep. Pay it.
Oh, that's right.
What?
Christina said she wouldn't be home until like 5.
Yeah, I know. Pancake motor will arrive tomorrow.
Huh?
The pancake motor will arrive at Chris and Christina's tomorrow.
Pancake mode?
It's basically this thing.
Doesn't look too delicious to me.
I love you! Oh my god! She said, doesn't look too delicious to me. To line the extruder axle, can you glue them into the current backplate now? No, I don't think so. Pancake motor. Doesn't look too delicious to me, she says.
It doesn't.
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't.
No, it doesn't. Okay, so, with all that crap going on, your wife and I were thinking the same thing. Great minds think alike. Alright, we have our solution, and now I'm going to have to design around that solution. I am going to spend basically my whole weekend doing that. We're going to be switching the Sovol SV08 to a... yeah. To a Hero Me. I'm going to need to probably repin quite a few things. Okay, no, I just have to repin the motor and probably solder this, because I think what I want to do, instead of using the Sovol's motor, I think I might take 2 of these motors here, since I have more of these, have them on the side of the printer, take the Creality CR Touch, put it on the back of the printer, or put it on the back of the back plate. So basically, if this plate mounts this way onto the printer, it's going to have a little extension that goes this way up, and that's where the CR Touch is going to mount, which will be way more solid. It'll be out of the way, and it won't limit me. I'm going to try and reduce the thickness of this stupid thing, so that way it's not extra thick. Yeah, I'm going to need the printer table. I'm bringing my SV08 again, the really big chunky one. I don't have a choice. I have to bring it again, but at least I'm bringing it in the Tucson rather than my Grand Am.
There's space.
Where there's actually space.
There's actual space.
I'm going to need to steal some more of Chris's... Actually, no. I'm going to use my own magnets. No, I'm not using Chris's magnets. That's Chris's magnets, and I have my own. I just forgot to bring it last time, and I was desperate to get things working again. So, we're going to have... sex. No.
What? Why are you like this?
I don't know. I need an adult.
You are the adult.
I'm not adult enough! Did I just hear him sneeze?
I don't know.
Okay, maybe. Plenty of room. Yeah, that's... load of bullshit. Huge load of bullshit. I might actually even move this to be on top or to the side. Chris is just like that. Yeah. Like pseudo-father, like pseudo-son. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to end stream, I'm going to shower, and I'm going to just kind of start packing things up. I know, me too. Alright, see you on the flip side, Whippy Dip. Pseudo-father, enter password for father!